how to fix the iMessage and FaceTime activation error that says an error occurred during activation. Try again. This can be a frustrating issue, but don't worry, I've got you covered with some easy steps to get everything working again. First things first, make sure you have a stable internet connection. iMessage and FaceTime need a strong Wi-Fi or cellular connection to activate. If you're on a Wi-Fi, try switching to cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps. Next, check your date and time settings. Go to settings, then on general. Scroll and tap on date and time. Make sure automatically set is turned on. If it's already turned on, try toggling it off and then on. If that doesn't work, try signing out and back into your Apple ID. Go to settings, tap your name at the top and simply tap on sign out. Now another effective step is to reset your network settings. This will also erase all saved Wi-Fi passwords, so make sure you know them before doing this. Go to settings on then general and tap on about. If there is an update available, you'll see a prompt to update your carrier settings. Sometimes the issue can be resolved by updating your iOS. Go to settings, then general and tap software update. If there is an update available, download and install it. If none of these steps works, it might be a deeper issue that requires Apple's assistance. And that's it. I hope one of these steps helped you fix the iMessage or FaceTime activation error.